Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and this Spectrum Noir Illustration Discovery Kit is just so comprehensive and an excellent way to try out new markers and new techniques. It includes practice sheets, instructions, and super high quality brush nib alcohol markers. I learned so much from this set. It was like having a mini art class in a box with all the supplies I needed to learn and create something that I'm really proud of. It helped me increase my skill level and taught me about blending colors that I really would never have known would work so well together. This Spectrum Noir Illustration Discovery Kit was so enjoyable to use, and I learned so much. And I'm still working with the supplies, the markers and the pen, and I've just really loved this set. And that's my point of view.